Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be using the I Am palette by OBAA Beauty. This is an Instagram brand. They reached out and asked if they could send me one of their palettes, and so thank you very much for them for sending this. So I'm starting off with the shade Aqua. It's this beautiful purple. It's so pigmented and pretty. And the brush I'm using, I believe, is a Sigma E40, but I will put all the brushes and such in the description box. Wow, I cannot pronounce things today. Description box. So I'm just using this to pack it into the outer corner and also to start building up my crease a little bit. Like I said, these are super pigmented. If you notice, my lighting looks a little off. I did not have my ring light for a little bit. I let my friend borrow it for an event that she was doing. She wanted to do like this cute little photo booth type situation. So yeah, I did not have my ring light with me at the time, so my lighting looks like a little off. But yeah, this blended out beautifully, so I just continued packing it on and just getting it to the desired color that I like. But this palette is so beautiful. It has like these really pretty bright colors. My birthday's coming up soon. I'm going to Miami, so I'm definitely going to be taking this with me because this is my last year in my 20s, so I'm going to be doing a lot of like dramatic, pretty makeup looks for my birthday. But anyway, I have this little cute thing from Amazon that takes the eyeshadow off your brush and cleans it. So I love using this guy to, if I'm going to use it the same brush. So now this is the color Retouch, which is a pretty cute color. And I'm just using this to blend out my crease a little more. And I am bringing this up pretty high into the brow bone. I like to do this when I am doing a cut crease, which I am going to be doing because I find that, sorry, my phone is not on silent. I should probably put on silent. Anyway, so going in with this eye primer, it's the ABH one, which I love. I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I like to apply it and then look up and then build my crease based off of like where, you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say? I can't talk today. Yeah, so I'm just using this flat brush to go ahead and blend this all out and make sure that the crease is perfect. I do have a lot of lines on my eyelids because I slightly have a hooded eyelid, so making cut creases can be a little tricky for me because I feel like my lines mess up the crease I'm trying to make. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get the right shape that I'm going for. So I did end up moving on to this different brush just because I kind of struggled with my cut crease today. So I just used, this is like a Real Techniques brush. I'm kind of using this to clean this up a little more because it was looking a little messed up. And I did dip into the purple shade of Aqua one more time and just to kind of blend out the edge a little more. Just so it doesn't look like so patchy and a smooth transition from one to the other. So now I'm going into the color Ama, and it's this pretty, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a very glittery pink. It's so pretty. And I'm just packing this on. I'm not bringing it too far into the whole eyelid because I'm going to put a different color there. But yeah, I'm just packing it and making sure it's all blended out. And then I did go into that smaller brush again just to kind of clean up the edges because, like I said, they were looking a little messed up. Yeah, so anyway, I think I grabbed the purple again just to make sure it's all blended out, and then I went in with the color Surwa. Sorry, I'm probably butchering these names, so very sorry if I am. Because I can't pronounce anything. But anyway, I'm also packing that into the inner corner just to give myself a little pop of color right there in the middle. So I kind of zoomed in a little more because I realized it was a little far away. I'm just watering. I'm just putting some black eyeshadow. Oh my god, why can't I talk? black eyeliner into the waterline, and then I also did a wing, but I did the wing off camera because I thought I was filming it, and then when I looked up I realized I wasn't even filming it. And then I went back in with the gold and the pink and kind of replicated exactly what I did at the top. I just connected that into the outer eyeshadow that's right there. So now going into that Gal Bang Mascara, which is from Benefit Cosmetics, and is seriously one of my favorite mascaras. It's just like, I love wearing this like by itself when like on my no makeup days, because I feel like it really, I don't know, makes my eyelashes pop. I don't have any eyelashes, as you can see. You probably don't even see them right now, but they're there. But yeah, this is my favorite mascara. So I'm just applying some lashes. I use this Duo lash glue. It's like the black one. I can't remember what lashes these are, but I will definitely put them down in the description box. I don't typically put this part of the video in my videos because I literally suck at applying false lashes. I can do it well when I'm doing other people's makeup, but on my own makeup, I just always struggle putting on falsies. But here I am struggling away, trying to make sure they look okay. Apologies if I sound a little muffled. I really need to invest in a very nice mic this year. I've been kind of like putting it off just because I've been trying not to spend a lot of money. But I definitely need to get a new mic because I know I sound a little like muffled and it doesn't sound that great. So I'm definitely going to be getting that soon. My birthday, like I said, is coming up like in 10 days. So probably after my birthday trip to Miami, I'll probably save up for a mic. Yeah, but I'm finally done my lashes, kind of, sort of. Still messing with them, making sure that they look okay. Because sometimes I feel like I don't put it on the right way, and then it makes my eye look like smaller than it actually is. But yeah, this is basically the finished eye look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I totally suggest getting this palette. I'm gonna make more videos with it, but it's so beautiful. I love how this look came out. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, please like, and please subscribe to my channel, and Happy New Year, you guys.